Alright guys, welcome back to another Burgundy only video, and today is the Apple Vision Pro pickup day. We're going to be driving 4 hours to Albany, New York, which is the closest US Apple store. As you guys might know, I am from Canada and we don't have Apple Vision Pro yet, so I do have to drive all the way to the US, pick up the Apple Vision Pro and bring it back all the way here. We are going on a 4-hour journey, so I'll see you guys when I reach to the Apple store in Albany, New York. See you guys there. All right, so we made it to the Apple store. We made it to the mall. So we're gonna walk to the Apple store. I did bring my bag because I did buy a Apple Vision case, but it's a third-party case, but I'm not too sure if it'll work. Let's see if it'll actually fit. Our 15 minutes early for our Apple Vision Pro appointment, but I still have to look for the Apple store because it's my first time going to this mall. So let's get in, see if we can get inside. Hopefully I don't have to wait in line because I do have my appointment, but if I do have to wait in line, then I have no choice. But if I can go in front in line because I have my appointment, I would prefer that. But yeah, let's get inside and see how the Apple store actually looks like. All right, so it's here. Set it up here. Okay. All right, you can come show this. Yes. All right. Whoo! She's a beauty. So said. All right, this is a whole stand. I forgot. All right, so this is battery, cables. All right, take the battery out. I have all these eyes on me. All right. Should be able to take this out. Yeah, I think I'll just flip it up. Oh, it's cardboard. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, pop it up. All right, so it's here. Right, like this. All right. So, should I just put it on right away, or should I put it in the case? Try it. No, let me just put it on. Let me just. Yeah. Put it like so, and then. All right. Hey, can you come here? Yeah, thank you. Actually, I think I'll take this. Yeah, the hard one. Yeah. All right, so it should be turning. Or do I have to press? Oh yeah, no, it's turning on. Okay, can you see the Apple logo? Yeah, you can. Yeah, there you go. I think when it removes the Apple logo, I can use it. But for now, still see the Apple logo. It's gonna be like for 45 seconds, I heard. Okay, I think I can do it now. All right, so let me put it on. Oh, yep. Okay. Okay. So hold. All right. I can't see you right now, but I'll see you soon. Oh, you're here. Now I see you. Okay. Wow. This you have to try this. But when we get home, we'll. Oh man, this is crazy. Wow, look at the app. Let me record. Actually, wait. Oh, oh, control center. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. I love this. I absolutely love this. Oh man. Okay. Oh my god. Let me look at my pictures. All right, so we did everything, set it up, tested out at the Apple Store, and everything went perfectly. Right now, we have the Apple Vision Pro in the actual travel case, and we have the box, empty box over here. Travel case, empty box, travel case, empty box. The Apple Vision Pro is in here. So, very good experience. I loved it a lot. Now we just have to drive 4 hours back home and try more, but I'm gonna post this video for you guys, maybe make another first impression video, and I'm gonna have a bunch of videos coming up. So let me just get home, post this video for you guys, and get the day going. So thank you guys for watching. This has been a whole adventure. I will be doing a EV road trip video as well, so if you're a fan of EVs, subscribe to the channel because there will be a perspective for the EV driver. But for now, we're driving home just to test out the Apple Vision Pro even more. So see you guys on another video. Peace.